Hi, today I want to show you one of the recipes I found online, and we all know that there are wonderful and horrible recipes online. And this is one that I tried that is so inexpensive and easy to use and wanted to share it with you today. So what we're going to be making is dishwasher detergent, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. Mine is a little granulated because of the flood. We've had a lot of water around. But it's so easy to make, and it only takes 4 ingredients, and I've used this over and over. I use it not only in my dishwasher, but sometimes I use it like a soft scrub, and other times I use it down in the barn when I clean out buckets. So what we need are 5 packets of lemonade drink mix, and this needs to be the unsweetened drink mix. And then we need a cup of Borax. I like the Mule Team. You can find this online if you don't have a Walmart or some superstore close to you. And then we need a cup of Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Again, you can find it very inexpensively online or sometimes in a grocery store near you. And then a half a cup of Kosher Salt. I have this left over from when I bought the packets previously that go in your dishwasher, but I've since given that up. What we're going to do is add these ingredients quickly, and I'll tell you a little bit about them. The lemonade mix you want not only because it smells good, but because it has a citrus in it. It does have artificial flavoring too, but it is the natural flavoring that is in these that helps the citrus break up some of the greases and oils. We'll just dump those right in, and they smell so wonderful too when you're washing. The next thing we'll put in is going to be the kosher salt. And the reason we're putting salt in is because it takes hard water. We have well water out here, and it turns it into soft water so you don't get spots left on your dishes. And then next we're adding the Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, the baking soda as the base, and it also has some gentle detergents in it. And then the Borax, which has been around for a long time and is another very gentle detergent. I'm just going to put it in here, shake it all up. It is just that simple. And then every time I do a load of dishes, I use 1 teaspoon. I just store this in here. If it's really dirty, I use 2. A 5-gallon bucket like we use to feed the animals. It's generally 1 to 2 scoops again, depending on how dirty it is. So, thanks for watching.